Hey everyone, welcome to my home and welcome to my channel, A Ginger Can. My name is Brian, and today we're continuing on with the Cybersecurity Awareness Month. It's October still. We talked about a fundraiser that was creating contact lists, and I'm sure they were selling it to third parties, although they say they don't, but can you really trust them? Today I want to talk about Facebook, because I mentioned them in the last video about how they were selling information and collecting user information, although they denied they did any of that. They do it. They still do it, and they're going to continue doing it. Their facial recognition is second only to Apple. I want to go over a couple of things that you can do to protect your Facebook account, because I know the vast majority of people out there are still using Facebook. I do once a week, and that's just to post, hey, I have a video out, and that's it. I log right back out. I don't interact at all anymore. So they're not getting any more information, and I don't post anything else because I keep getting banned, and I'll go over that in another video because it's pretty ridiculous. Their logarithm leaves a lot to be desired. They're targeting people, and anything that you do that isn't even remotely questionable, they'll flag it and you'll get banned. You can disagree, they don't care. Or they'll ban me for something I posted a year ago or 2 years ago or whatever. They don't care anymore. They weren't getting any ad revenue from me because I have a network ad blocker. I've got browser ad blockers. I don't see their ads, so they're not getting that revenue from me. Anyway, let's go over to my other screen. I've got Facebook open in a new browser, and I'll show you a couple of things that you can do. Email address and passwords in. All right, I logged in, and a lot of you probably have never seen this screen before, and if you haven't, that's a real shame because you should have this enabled. This is a two-factor authentication screen. You have an app on your phone. It'll ask you for a 6-digit code. So let me get my 6-digit code and log in. And it's okay if you see this because it's no longer valid. By the time you see this video, it's no longer valid. I don't save these browsers. Alright, so we're slowly logging into Facebook. Okay, that was fun. I had some technical problems with Facebook. It wouldn't let me log in with this browser. Anyway, we're in. So I'm going to go through some settings that you should be going through. Settings and privacy. We'll go to Settings, Security and Login. Here, this is where I have two-factor authentication turned on. So they'll ask for a code, and that code is not linked to Facebook. It's a separate program run by Symantec. It's all time-based security, so that's all it is. It's synced to a large system. Now there are other ways to do it. They make little digital keys that you can plug into USB, and then it'll authenticate that way. I'm considering changing to one of those, mostly because I don't carry my phone with me all the time, and it's easier to have a USB key on my desk than it is for me to try to find my stupid phone. Alright, we're in the privacy settings here, under privacy. Who can see my future posts? Friends. That's it. Who can see the people, pages, and lists that you follow? Only my friends. Who can send me friend requests? Only friends of friends. I don't need random people adding me to be their friend. It's annoying. Who can see my friends list? My friends can see my friends list. Who can look me up using the email address I provided? Only my friends. You don't want everyone being able to look you up by your email address. I didn't provide a phone number, but only my friends could look me up if I had provided one. Do I want search engines outside of Facebook to link to my profile? No. Don't do that. For messaging, do you have to send me a message request? It's that simple. If I don't know you, I'm probably going to ignore you. Facial recognition. This is a big one. This is a huge no. You want to opt out of this. Because if anyone uploads a picture and you're in it, they create a contact list that now, even though you may not be a friend to them on Facebook, they now know you're associated. And they can pretty much tell where you are. They have really good image recognition software. Profile and tagging. Who can post to my profile? My friends can post to my profile. It's okay, they're my friends. Who can see what others post to my profile? My friends. Allow others to share my posts on their stories. Sure. Because they're my friend. Hide comments, yeah, I don't really worry about that. I mean, it's hard to offend me. I don't care. If you don't like me, I don't care. If you have nasty things to say about me, I don't care. Words don't hurt me. Who can see posts you're tagged in on my profile? Only my friends. When I'm tagged in a post, who do we want to add to the audience? Only me. No one else needs access to this. Review the posts? Yeah, I'd like to see what people are tagging me in and whether or not I want to allow it. Public posts? Who can comment on my public post? Only my friends. I don't need notifications from anybody. Only friends can comment on my profile pictures or profile information. Comment ranking is off. I don't even know why that's a thing. So make sure Facebook previews are turned off. Username, I have not set a username, and that's fine by me. You have my real name. That's all you need. Location, location, location. Off. Facebook doesn't need to know where you are. So going through notifications, I don't have any notifications on because I don't need notifications. Email, it goes to my email address only. And that's only for anything about my account specifically. And that's it. That's a fast way to, start locking down your Facebook account. The other thing you can do, and people look at me sideways when I say this, but get Facebook off your phone. Stop using it on your phone. I've only used it on my PC for the last 3 years. It doesn't need access to your phone. It doesn't need access to your contacts. Because guess what? They're getting that information. You just gave them all your contacts information, which has names, phone numbers, possibly email addresses, possibly home addresses if you're one of those people, work addresses, work phone numbers, anything that's in your contact list, Facebook now has. That's a terrible thing. And I know what you're thinking. Brian, I have nothing to hide. You may not. But can you say that for everyone on your contact list? Do I have anything to hide? Yeah, I do. My private information doesn't need to be out there for the entire world to see. I have things that I want to hide. You should too. It's probably not going to happen. You're probably going to keep Facebook on your phone. It's fine. I understand. But if you do, and you add anyone, Facebook's going to have that information, whether they wanted you to share it or not. So if it's not just about your privacy, it's about the privacy of the people around you. Facebook's going to be around for a really long time, and they've already gotten so much information about all of us. It's ridiculous. Trying to go back and erase it, it's not going to do anything because it's already cataloged and archived. The only thing you can do is from now on start thinking about your privacy and the privacy of others. Facebook's here to stay. Protect yourself every way that you possibly can. I hope some of these steps showed you, oh hey, I'm sharing too much information, or oh, that's why I get all these weird things. The biggest scam I see on Facebook is, oh, I've been hacked, don't accept a friend request from me. First of all, we're already friends. So if I'm getting a friend request from you, it's not you, I know that, because we're already friends. If you were hacked, someone would have been putting all sorts of stupid things on your timeline. If you were hacked. What actually is happening is you were cloned. Someone went into your account, copied all your pictures, copied all your information, and created a second account posing as you. You allowed yourself to be data scraped. That's what it is. Protect yourself. Lock everything down so that no one else can do this. Only your friends can. And if your friends are doing this, I hope it's April 1st. Thank you for watching. I'm trying not to end on a down note. Our privacy is up for sale and it's already out there for the most part. I have another video. The last video I'm going to do is about opting out from data mining operations. You can do that and they have to delete your information, which is handy. Keep an eye out for that one next week. If you're new here, this month is Cybersecurity Awareness Month, so I'm trying to do a couple of different videos to make my friends and family and anyone else who stumbles across this aware that our privacy is being invaded. Whether or not you have anything to hide, that's not my business. My business is making sure you and your family are safe and that you're helping protect your friends and an extended family. Otherwise, I do a lot of videos of cooking, canning, cleaning, home repair. I've got a lot of videos lined up for that. Garage door opener, locks. I gotta build shelves. I have another rat problem. Oh no, home, they said. It'll be fun, they said. So if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing if any of that interests you. If you are subscribed, hit the notification bell so that you know when I put up new videos. Usually it's every Saturday, but it's hard being a stay-at-home dad with 2 little boys and doing videos. If you've got other tips for social media accounts, leave them down below in the comments. We can all talk about that and learn from each other. And if you found this entertaining or educational, please give me that thumbs up. It shows YouTube that this video was worth making and sharing. That's all I got for you. Thank you again for watching. This has been a Ginger Can. My name is Brian, and I will catch you in the next video.